Here are graphs representing two functions and descriptions of two functions. So we've got a graph of function f and function g. Function f is the area of a wall that's covered by mold A in square inches, doubling every month. Function g is the area of a wall that's covered by mold B in square inches, tripling every month. We've got time and months on the horizontal axis, and then area in square inches on the vertical axis. Okay. Which graph represents each function? Label the graphs accordingly and explain your reasoning. Okay, so the graph that is tripling, that should be the graph that's rising faster. So I would say this graph right here, the solid line graph, is the one that is function g. And so this will be g of x. And then that would leave the other one, the one that's rising more slowly, that would be function f of x. So how do we know? The graph that rises faster has the higher growth rate. So it would have to be g of x. Okay. When the mold was first spotted and measured, was there more of mold A or mold B? Explain how you know. Okay, so right here, oh, you know what? I think probably we'll label this as f. F of x is going to be right here with, that's mold A. And then this one's going to be mold B. Okay, so it looks like if we follow the mold A curve down, there was more of mold A at the value of x equals 0. Okay, so at x equals 0, there was more mold and this one is mold A. Can tell because the vertical intercept is higher. Okay, what does the point PQ tell us in this situation? Well, if this is the point that's on both graphs at the same time, then this intersection point is going to be when both of the walls are covered in the same amount of mold. So we can write that down here. The intersection point. Both walls have the same amount of mold.